What's up, everybody? Welcome back to your favorite place with your favorite girl. It's none other than me, Ding Simply K. Simone, and I am back with another video for you guys. Now, this one was requested. Yes, it was by one of my subscribers. I'm hoping I can still have the message saved. If not, I'm deeply sorry. But this is the medley from none other than Elvis Presley. So I believe it's Heartbreak Hotel, Hound Dog, and All Shook Up on the 1968 comeback special. Before we get into the reaction video, I just need you to do me a few things. You ready? Especially if you're new to the channel, I need you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications and make sure they're ringing. Absolutely. So you'll be notified every time I have another reaction video like this. Ding! I go live or host a premiere, which we do a lot of Elvis Presley here because he's one of my newest favorites. So let's get into the video. Let's go.
Well, since my baby left me, well, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street at Heartbreak Hotel. I'll be so lonely, baby.
Yes, that's mine, guys.
I'll be so lonely I could die. Well, the bell's tears keep flowing. The desk clerk's dressed in black. Well, they've been so long on Lonely Street. I'm all shook up. While I'm busting my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a further tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. My hands are shaky and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own feet. Who do you think when you have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine. When I'm near the girl that I love so, my heart beats so it scares me to death. I wish touching my hand. Now what a chill I got. My lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm all shook up.
That was cool. Again, we already know that Elvis is one of the most amazing entertainers there are. So I like the way that he did this melody. He kept the tempo kind of still with all three songs kind of meshed together, so you really didn't feel a break in between the songs. So I swear, what didn't this man do? Like, every song that you guys requested has been absolutely amazing. It just either brings you comfort, inspires you, or makes you just want to dance, or it makes you happy. So I love it. Thank you guys so much for this pick. I really like this one. I do. I really do. I'm definitely going to put it in the playlist if I haven't already. So go in the description box below. I'll have our Elvis playlist linked in that description box. So all of my reactions will be there, and some of the ones that we have suggested for the channel. And if you have any more, just please let me know so I can add them to the playlist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and blessings. You guys so much for watching. I ask that you please hit the description box below and link to our Elvis playlist as well as my Ice ASMR channel. Again, thank you guys so much for your love and support. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. Have a good night.